family, but the coming generations are like that. So I would work on girl child education as well. So these are the things that I have in my mind.
One more question I have, like for example, आपका goal था that you want to crack UPSC, but आपने engineering भी की हुई है, तो ये decision आपने कैसे choose किया कि मुझे engineering ही करनी है in your graduation?
In 12th standard, we all have this thing here, what should we take? So I had this in mind that engineering will be a good backup, because when you start, as I said earlier, you don't really know that you'll be getting inside. So I thought I should have a good career backup, so in case if something happens, I can always have a job to depend on. So that was something. I had an interest in chemistry and something related to chemicals, so I took up chemical engineering, and that's how I ended up being an engineer by profession. But this dream of civil service guided me through.
One more question I have, like for example, as like a company is also, in terms of
practical hands-on learning is something which we want engineers to be right now.
One more question, like आपने अपने first attempt में UPSC clear किया है, so like how difficult and how easy was it for you, like managing your college life and preparing for UPSC?
Yes, I'll just divide your question into two. The first one being the first attempt. The difficulty is that you don't know the nature of the examination. You've not been through the grill of preliminary, then mains, and then interview. So it's like a new experience for you. So it sounds tough at that moment. The positive part of the first attempt is that it's good because you don't have any baggage, you don't have any benchmark, and you have a lot of passion brewing inside you. So that was the positive of being in the first attempt. Coming to the question of how did I manage both things, I'll say since I had this priority of UPSC, I paid a lesser attention to the engineering.